Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Jerify 4-pieces sports scooter board set. This unique product is designed for indoor and outdoor play and features 4 colorful boards with handles, each measuring 11.22 inches. Perfect for kids, these boards help improve coordination and motor skills, making them a fun and educational choice for schools, gyms, or home activities. The design is all about safety and durability. Made from high-quality plastic, the boards are sturdy and equipped with non-marring swivel casters that won't scratch floors. The wide base and handles ensure stability, while the 360-degree rotating wheels provide smooth movement for activities like relay races or obstacle courses. However, keep in mind that these are sitting scooter boards, so they're not for standing or traditional riding. While the Jerify boards are versatile and ideal for group play, their price point of $61.99 might feel a bit steep for some, especially since they're not traditional scooters. But if you're looking for something unique to engage kids indoors or outdoors, these could be a great investment. Pros include their vibrant colors and durable build, while the cons are their limited use cases and lack of versatility for older kids or adults. At number 4, we have the Hover One Lunar Kids Folding Kick Scooter, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $27.99. Designed for younger kids, this scooter shines with its LED color-changing wheels and lightweight build, making it ideal for casual rides around the neighborhood or short trips. The design is compact and portable, weighing only 5.2 pounds, which makes it easy for kids to carry. The adjustable handlebar ensures a comfortable fit for different heights, while the aluminum frame provides decent durability for its price. The rear foot brake offers reliable stopping power, and the non-slip deck adds an extra layer of safety. However, the weight limit of 110 pounds means it's strictly for younger riders. While this scooter is an excellent choice for parents on a budget, it does come with limitations. It's not suitable for older kids or heavier riders, and the smaller wheels may struggle on uneven terrain. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and fun LED wheels, while its cons are the lower weight capacity and limited usability beyond casual riding. At number 3, we have the Jetson 2-wheel Lightup kick scooter. This scooter is slightly more expensive than the Hover One at $28.49, but it brings a lot to the table for the extra cost. With over 100 LEDs lighting up the deck and wheels, this scooter is both fun and safe for kids aged 5 and up. The Jetson scooter features a sturdy aluminum frame and adjustable handlebars that range from 24.6 to 33.3 inches, allowing it to grow with your child. The rear foot brake and shock-absorbing wheels provide smooth and controlled rides, while the lightweight 6-pound design makes it portable and easy to store thanks to its no-tool folding mechanism. It supports riders up to 132 pounds, making it suitable for a wider age range than the Hover One. This scooter excels in design and safety features, but its smaller 4-inch wheels might not perform as well on rough terrain. Pros include its vibrant LED lights, adjustable height, and sturdy build, while the cons are its slightly higher price compared to budget models and smaller wheels. Overall, it's a fantastic option for kids who want a scooter that's as stylish as it is functional. At number 2, we have the Leave scooter, which offers versatility for riders aged 6 and up, including teens and adults. Priced at $64.38, this scooter is designed for durability and performance, with a weight limit of 240 pounds and adjustable handlebars that can cater to heights ranging from 35 to 42 inches. The Leave scooter features a patented folding system, making it easy to store and transport for urban commutes or recreational use. Its larger 7.99-inch wheels and low-to-the-ground deck ensure a smooth ride on various terrains, from sidewalks to parks. The aluminum frame is lightweight yet sturdy, and the rear foot brake provides reliable stopping power. Additionally, the lifetime service warranty offers peace of mind for buyers. While this scooter is perfect for older kids and adults looking for a reliable ride, its higher price may deter some parents of younger kids. Pros include its robust build, adjustable handlebars, and smooth performance on uneven surfaces, while cons are its higher price and heavier frame compared to smaller models. This is a great all-around scooter for families or individuals seeking versatility and quality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Razer A5 Lux kick scooter, the premium option on our list at $77.04. Known for its quality and performance, Razer delivers a scooter that's perfect for kids 8+ and even adults, with a weight limit of 220 pounds and an adjustable, ergonomic handlebar design. This scooter stands out with its extra-large 8-inch urethane wheels, which provide a super smooth ride on various terrains. The anodized aluminum frame is both strong and lightweight, with bold colors and graphics that give it a stylish edge. The large deck ensures stability for taller riders, while the rear foot brake offers responsive stopping power. Its foldable design makes it convenient for storage and transport, whether you're commuting or heading to a park. The Razer A5 Lux is the ultimate option for riders looking for quality and durability. Pros include its exceptional build, smooth performance on rough surfaces, and sleek design, while cons are its higher price and slightly heavier weight. If you're looking for the best scooter on the market for older kids and adults, this one is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.